Okay, good morning, everybody. This is Maxim C. Wabra. I am a Juris Doctor from Cleveland State University, soon to be a licensed practicing attorney. And I'm helping my man out here with just some basic information on how to deal with the police, how to either formally file a complaint against the police or even a commendation. As you can see here, this looks like this young man, his rights have been violated. So, step one, if you want to file a complaint against a police officer, it's very important that you actually note the jurisdiction that has offended you. For example, I assume everybody here is a Cleveland resident, lives in the city of Cleveland. If you get pulled over in Warrensville and your rights are violated, obviously that would be Warrensville Heights Police Department to deal with. Different jurisdictions have different methods to filing a complaint. I know Cleveland, for example, you can do it online, you can do it via email, you can call, you can go there in person. Um, this is directly from their website here. It's probably easiest to do it online and maybe follow up in person regarding that complaint. But you can also file a complaint anonymously, as you can see here, because again, a lot of these types of deals can be rather sensitive for folks. So that is just a very straightforward explanation on how to go about filing a complaint. Once again, you want to make sure that your jurisdiction is proper and you have a bevy of resources at your disposal, either electronically or physically, where you can actually file that complaint. Uh, Conversely, filing a commendation for a police officer is an option that you can do either physically or electronically as well. This is plucked directly from the City of Cleveland website regarding how you can recognize an officer for good work, because there are good officers out there, believe it or not. And yeah, you would need their name, their title, their badge number, and also on this website, they're going to ask you about your own personal information and probably a description of the event that led to the officer being worthy of commendation. And all right, folks, for my last slide here, what should you do if your rights have been violated? A lot of people ask me this question, um, and it's always going to be on a case by case basis. But like, what you want to do, you always want to lawyer up. Whether it be legal aid, whether it be just having that county public defender assigned to your case. They do great work. I've worked in their office before. Yes, they have a heavy caseload, but a lot of cases don't even make it to trial because they're able to kind of squash a lot of the allegations before it even gets to that phase. So if you have to obtain an attorney, one will be appointed to you if you're indigent, meaning that you cannot afford one on your own and you're dealing with something that is not a minor misdemeanor. In that exact same instance that you are being arrested or offended, try to your best to remain calm. Being belligerent, being hostile, can only lead to bad things. And also remember this: like, if you're going to be arrested or if you're under the suspicion of being arrested, it's probably going to happen anyway. So those allegations that are set forth against you, just allow yourself to have your actual day in court, because nothing will be solved on the side of the road. Nothing will be solved in that instance. There's always going to be another day where you can defend yourself. Thirdly, you never want to talk to the police without a lawyer present. A lot of people think the police are their friends. Oh, if I say this, then I'll get off leniently. It doesn't happen. It doesn't work like that. Just keep your mouth shut and allow your lawyer to do your bidding for you. And lastly, always remember to assert and reassert your Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent upon arrest. Once you're arrested and you're Mirandized, given that statement, there's there's no real advantage for you to be speaking without a lawyer present. So just keep your mouth shut, and that is the best that you can do given the circumstances that may be put forth against you.